Welcome to 225 Cedar Branch Trail in the highly sought after The Grove at Cedar Hills, located in Lenoir City. I'm Bobby Sanford with the Bobby Sanford Group at Wallace Real Estate. This beautiful ranch-style home offers 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a bonus room, and almost 2,900 square feet of living space. Come on in, let's take a look around. Inside, you'll find an open concept and one-level living with LVP flooring throughout. The heart of the home is the kitchen with granite countertops and soft closed drawers and cabinets and a gas stove top. This beautiful kitchen opens to the living area where you'll find plenty of room for relaxing by the gas fireplace or entertaining with family and friends. The large main bedroom also includes a sitting area and walk-in closet. The ensuite has a dual sink vanity and a large walk-in shower. Finishing out the main level are 2 additional bedrooms. Upstairs, you'll find a bonus room and a full bathroom. Step outside on your patio and enjoy your morning cup of coffee or your beverage of choice after a long day. The Grove at Cedar Hills is a 55-plus community offering clubhouse, swimming pool, and pickleball courts, and is just a short drive to Turkey Creek, downtown Knoxville, and the airport. Don't miss your opportunity to own this little slice of heaven. Give me a call for more details or to schedule your personal showing. I'm Bobby Sanford with the Bobby Sanford Group at Wallace Real Estate, and you can reach me at 865-216-9888. Thank you for watching my video and have a great day.